So let us get to takealot app, then go to order. I want to order a humidifier, so I would search humidifier, and there they are. So if I want to order, let's say the first one here, I will tap on it and add it on cart. So then go to cart. So you see, these are the items that are on cart. So I don't want this one though, so I will delete it and I will be left with this one, bulb humidifier. Then I will come and press proceed checkout. Then I will choose my delivery. I prefer to use the courier, so I don't have to go and collect. Then approve my residential. After that, because the price of the humidifier is below 450, so I have to pay for the delivery 60 rand. Then I say yes. Then they will ask you to, if you want to donate. Then after that, I can pay with my credit card. Then we are going on with the payment proceedings. So I will use my Capitec and the numbers, and you don't have to see them, that's why I'm hiding them. So now I've clicked on pay. I need to continue. Then I got a message. From my Capitec to confirm the payment. So so I will enter my PIN and then I will confirm. Then go back to takealot. Then it's successful, and they will show me the date that my package is expected to arrive. The payment there has been confirmed. Now the order is ready, and now if I want to track the order, I can just press track order and come on track here, see when it is expected. You see, the 16th August. Today is the 6th. It's usually take about 5 to 4 days. So this means that maybe the product is not available